Right. Hello everybody. Just received this box from Open Oscar. It's my Olmsted 38. Let me open it. A nice card from Chase. Thank you, Chase. Open Oscar stickers. I'll put it here. There you go. Today's day. First of many you have with a trusted friend on your wrist. A really nice wrapping. Cool bag. It came with this very nice box. A travel pouch, basically. Alright, there you go. So this is serial number 39. Oh, I got one of the early ones. Essential form inspired by conservationist Frederick Law Olmsted. Strap changing tool. And I asked Chase to change the nylon strap with a leather strap. So I got this leather strap, a really nice one. It's high quality. I think it's manufactured in Chicago as well. I've been to Chicago back and forth for a few months for a project, and next time I'll wear this watch for sure. This is the Olmsted 38. Let me try to focus it a little bit. Nice bracelet, nicely made. Okay, so this is just initial unboxing video. I'll review the watch. This is my first video for sure. I have a few other watches that I'll talk about, just to share my passion on watch collecting. I've been collecting for I think 5-6 years now, mostly vintage watches, but this Olmsted is a nice addition. So it's basically a daily field type watch, meaning that it's not a dive watch, but it has time and date. It's great. So I'll just start the video here for now. I'll do another video to do measurement on the case, thickness, lug to lug, and so on. The reason I'm not doing it now because I have a meeting in a few minutes, work from home. So I'll do it after this video. See you on the next video, guys. Bye.